We're going to sail the Hobie Cat for the first time in 7 years, and Christopher is here going to help me rig the jib, and then because I always forget how to do it.
That's a good question. 47? I think I'm 47.
He looks better than I do.
Wow.
Okay. All right, so.
I know, Dick already made a comment to me. He's like, yeah, you think you'll look like that when you're like 49? And I'm like, nope.
Julie?
Yeah,
Oh, so
about
rude.
Julie. And I'm like, nope, I've never looked like that and I never will. I was like, she works a lot harder at it than I do. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
This is not a video for our family video, but
Sorry.
it's a video that I will.
Come here, Calder. I'm sorry, buddy.
Okay.
Sorry,
So
Junior, I'm videotaping.
So we're zipping. The most critical thing is we tried this before and we actually tied the halyard back to the mast. And when we unfurled and refurled, the halyard was twisting. So now our hopefully correct attempt is to put the halyard inside the forestay zipper.
Inside the zipper.
Inside the zipper.
The halyard has to go inside the zipper. That is the main thing, and that's why it takes two people to do this. Because as you go up,
Do you kind of remember now from last time?
I remembered there was some trick, and I kept telling Christopher, I'm like, there's some trick, there's some step that I'm forgetting, that I'm missing, and that's the step. Hey, Renee, come over on this side and get the shot of this.
Oh, hold on. I need to pick up Calder. One more, please.
So, the jib halyard, the hoist, it goes inside the zipper of the jib.
Okay,
sail.
I got it.
There.
So you were putting it outside before?
Yeah.
Okay. And so this cleat right here is where you tighten down.
Get it all the way up to where we want it. There you go.
Yeah, we'll probably
it has to be a little bit
lower a little bit and get that on.
So then the last important step is with the halyard jib, the jib halyard anyways, you hook that into there when you get to the right spot, and then you use these stays.
It's gonna have so many hits on YouTube.
I will upload this on YouTube actually, just for myself. And then my students at school will be like, Mr. Campbell, what are you doing like with it? I don't know, sailing, because they can see my profile.
Oh, because they have all the AP Psych things on there?
Okay. So
and then they said what you can do is...
Should I do it again or tie it into here?
No, what they said you can do is actually, you can undo this and then just stuff the excess up into here. So I say we just coil it up.
Should we do, is this going to stay? This is in here tight enough to stay?
Yeah, I think that's
it won't
good.
go? Okay. And then we just...
Yeah, I would just coil it and then...
How much do you want recorded until you guys have it all the way up?
And then after this, what you do is once we get this coiled up and put up into the zipper area, then we pull the furling in, and it should wrap the sail into its roller furling.
Okay.
The end.
That's how